Hello. How to create transport records, we briefly explain. We click according to the mode of transportation we will plan. We click the Create Road Truck Voyage button to create the transport. First of all, we determine whether the vehicle is rental or self-owned. Then we fill in the Operation, Trailer Plate, and Sekichi Plate boxes. Driver information is not mandatory, you can fill in if you wish. We fill in the Supplier Firm box. We fill the Shipping and Foreign Currency boxes. Other fields are not mandatory, you can fill in if you wish. We fill in the boxes for departure and arrival areas. Other fields are not mandatory, you can fill in if you wish. Then we click on the Save button. We have created the transport plan. We need to connect with the load. To do this, we click on the box to the left of the relevant load and say, Add to the relevant transport. We need to connect the reservation and transport plan. If you wish, you can do this process after creating a reservation, by clicking on the Create Transport button on this screen. Then you can connect the load and position. As seen in the table on the main screen, when we connect the freight and the transportation, the relevant reservation is now transferred to the transportation. When you click on the Show button, you can see the relevant load. You can delete the load with the Remove button and bring it back to the reservation location. Also, if the loads are partial, you can add them one by one to the transport. After making all the adjustments, we remove the move from the planned and finalize it with the Start Move button. When you plan a partial transport, you can determine the loading and unloading sequence. Then we click on the Save button. Since we started the move, the relevant position is now in the Ongoing Shipments field. And by clicking this area, you can reach the related transports. By clicking on the Settings icon. With the Change Status button you can move the move to the planned move or to the completed position. Also with the Print button. You can turn the position into a document with the specified paperwork templates. Likewise, you can use the related templates by accessing the Print button with the Load Settings icon. We click on the relevant document template. And in the format of automatically determined templates, you can convert transactions to documents. You can also fill in the missing fields on the document. We record. After saving, you can print the document or send it as an email. You can also print from the page of the relevant transport. If you have a note about the position, you can write in this field. You can add the documents you need to add to the position with the Docs button. You can copy the position together with its plate with Quick Operation, opened in the menu of Settings icon to the left of the position. On the opened page, we select the relevant process and click on the Copy button. When we save it is copied from the same load and position. You can also copy it by making changes. Another transaction you can do with the Quick Transaction menu is to enter the expected item and divide the amount into all the loads under a single position. When you fill in the boxes and save them, the relevant expense is shared for all loads below this position.